Hey, welcome back. In this video, I want to show you a way to build killer audience on Facebook for your Facebook ads. Facebook has a tool that not a lot of people know of. You can use this tool to build amazing and targeted audience for your ads. And the tool is called Audience Insights. So let me show you how to get that tool. So first of all, I'm logged into my Facebook Ads Manager. Then click on the top Ads Manager, and then under Plan, you see Audience Insights. And if you read at the bottom, the gray text, it says Audience Insights, learn more about the people who matter to your business and people that you want to target in your ads. So I'm going to open that tool in a new tab. And this is what the audience insights look like. And you can just ignore this box. There you go. So let's actually get to know this tool, and I'll give you an example. So my business is social media marketing and consulting. So let's say I want to find the targeted audience for my business, people who are interested in social media marketing. So what I can do is come to Audience Insight, and on the left hand side under Create Audience, let's start filling this in. So first of all, my ideal audience is 25 to, let's say, 55, because that's the age range that in that range people are mostly interested in learning more about social media marketing, maybe social media consulting, or hiring a company like iSocialU. And now here is the most important thing in the interests. So here, come up with a list of 10 to 20 interests or keywords, pages of your competition, publications, or blogs that you think your ideal target audience is reading or connected with. So in my case, my target audience is social media marketing, people who want to learn and need help with social media marketing. So I know there is a publication called Social Media Examiner. So I'll select that. I also know there is a public figure, Amy Porterfield. I'll select that. John Loomer is another public figure. And one blog that's really popular among my target audience is Social Media Today. There you go. Let's also Social Media Week. There we go. So again, I'm putting in interests or keywords that I feel like my target audience is familiar with. These are some publications, some public figures, and also fans of or pages of your competition that you can input here. Now, once you have your input in under Create Audience, now let's look at the right hand side, and this is awesome. This is all the data that Facebook has on the entries that I added here. Here's the demographics. The important thing that we're going to look at is page likes. So let's go there, and I would say scroll down until you see this section, page likes. Facebook pages that are likely to be relevant to your audience based on Facebook page likes. Now this is gold mine. So what Facebook is telling me, based on the entries that I inputted into the interest field, the people that are relevant to my business here are the pages they are connected with. Social Media Week, Amy Porterfield. These two I already knew and I put those in, but look at this. Melanie Duncan, digital marketer, Marie Forleo, Derek Halpern, and a lot of these. So first of all, by using this tool, I can actually identify what type of pages I can target in my Facebook ads to reach my ideal audience. But then a really cool thing is in this column, affinity. So let's look at the definition. How likely your audience is to like a given page compared to everyone on Facebook. So what this tells me is if I target fans of Social Media Week, this audience is 27.9 times more likely to engage with my ads. That is super, super powerful. So in the next step, what I would do is from this list, maybe pick 5 or 6, but really based on the affinity score, because I really want more engagement for which I have to pay the least amount of money on my ads. So I would pick this, Amy, Melanie, Social Media Today. And by the way, there is a see more button. Look at that. I did not even know Meet Edgar. So I'm obviously finding new targeting criteria for my ads. Lewis House. Amazing stuff. And if you scroll up, here are the top categories for the audience that I selected. Here's the top app they use, different product and services, the organizations, companies. Here's the software they use. So my target audience uses Moz and Shopify. And here is different entrepreneurs they are connected with and different author and their books that they're reading. Super, super cool stuff. So what you can do is make a list of these pages, and then when you're creating your Facebook ads, start inputting these results. And by doing that, you're really reaching out the audience on Facebook that is most likely to engage with your ads and either like your page or engage with your content or click and go to your website. So let's actually take another example, and let's say you want to create a Facebook campaign for a client of yours that is a furniture store, or maybe you own a furniture store yourself. So let's use this tool and find some targeting examples and options for our ads. So first of all, let's go to create audience, and I'm just gonna, this has United States in it, so that's good. And then in the interest, and again, this is extremely important, have a list of 10 to 20 interest publications, blogs, fan pages of your competition, or news outlets that you think your ideal audience is connected with or reads on Facebook. That's extremely important. So in this case, we have a furniture store and we want to create or find audience for those ads. So I'm going to input furniture as one of the interests. Also, IKEA comes to mind. Modern furniture, rustic furniture. There you go. And now let's look at the data that Facebook is showing us. And again, there's demographic, page likes, location, activity, household purchase, and all of this data is on the entries that we put in. For our purpose, we're going to go to page likes and then scroll down and look at this. So here are the Facebook fan pages that our ideal audience is connected with. So this is where you can look at the affinity and write down the names of pages. Amazon Fashion, that makes sense. Macy's, Michael Kors. I would not have thought of these Facebook pages to target for campaigns of my furniture store client. So this is the power of audience insight. So again, in the step number 1, you go to the audience insights. In step number 2, you put in the interest, and ideally you want to have a list of 10 to 20 of different interest pages, publications that you think your audience is connected with. And then you want to go to page likes and scroll down to the list of these pages and try to pick the one that has the highest affinity, because those are the pages, or fans of those pages are more likely to show affinity to your ads or more likely to engage with your ads. So this is how you can use a simple tool like Facebook Audience Insights and build amazing audience for your Facebook ads. And like I said earlier, from here, make a list of Facebook pages that you want to target, write them down on a piece of paper, and then when you are creating your Facebook ads, put them in there in your targeting options and target those pages for the best results. And as always, like I say, ABT, always be testing different audiences, text, call to action, and images to see what works best for your ads and your business.